everybody. Today I have a dumpkin, a dumpkin plant. I get tongue tied. It's a Dieffenbachia or something like that. Anyways, here is a dumpkin. I had it given to me from a neighbor of mine. She didn't know I had so many plants and she wanted to swap. So she gave me this since she said she had so many cuttings, and she also tries to sell. She gave me a dumpkin since I sold the huge one I had. So this is a cutting, a very lovely plant. There's a new leaf there, and there's the third leaf. So there's 3 leaves, and the root is not bad. Look at it. It's beautiful. Look at that root. It's a strong root there, and more roots coming out. I just wanted to share with you this lovely plant, which I noticed many of you people love this plant, and I see a lot of views on this plant. So I'm just sharing with you that I got a plant swap from a friend, a neighbor. Yeah, so we did a plant swap, and here I have my pot with soil, potting soil. I made a hole inside, as you can see, and all I have to do is just stick the plant in there. Okay, so the same process. I'm going to leave it in front of my back door, which it receives plenty of light, and just stick it in there. I'm going to just make it more deeper, a little more deeper, and then just kind of put it straight, making sure it's straight and not crooked when it grows. Okay, so right at the middle, and then we start pushing the soil around. I would add some manure if I had, but that's why I'm putting just a little bit of soil here. Well, not that little, but when it grows a little more, I'm gonna add manure when it grows a little taller. That's why the soil is only at the line, basically the line of the pot. So there we go. It's in its new home. Basically, that's it, my friends. I had it in the water there, and then I just left it there for a couple days for it to get used to the home, his new home. Her, I don't know. I keep on saying her. Most of the plants I say she. And I kind of planted it too much on this side. Should have planted exactly in the middle. Well, that can be fixed. But anyways, my friends, that's basically it. An easy plant as well. It's a very forgiving plant, very easy. You only water it when it's really, really dry. That's how I grew the plant so huge, and then I end up selling it. And again, I have it back. But I guess this one I won't sell it. We will see. I'm gonna buy other plants to see how it goes. The same plant, of course, and grow it, and if it's several in a pot, then I'll sell it. Otherwise, I'll keep the biggest one, because I think it's better to have 2 plants in one pot and let it grow together. For now, I have 1, which is, I think, a good idea. I kind of planted it a little bit too much over there, so I can plant another one over here. But then how will I know if I'm going to damage the root? I guess I'm going to have to turn it around, make sure the root is on the other side. Anyways, my friends, if you're new, subscribe. Don't forget to click that bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Share my videos, comment below, thumbs up, and hope to see you again in the next video. Thank you all for watching. Bye.